Oh, this one's crazy.
This one is like for real.
I don't hate these, but he would, so no. But, oh, this is gonna be so good. It smells so good.
No, I'll clean it. You can do the blinds. I don't like doing blinds.
He's like, why is my bed so small?
So it is 4 days until Danny's birthday, and I still have not picked up a gift. I'm going to head out and get a gift, come back,
Walk that little brat there.
so hopefully I can get all this done really quickly before it rains. So that's what's going on. I'm working against time, against rain. All right, so we're about to get Danny's gift at the Nike store. Let's get in there and pick him up some snakes.
I like these. They might be a little bit too colorful for Danny though, but I don't know, I might come back to those. That's a no. That's a no. That's another no. That's probably not something he would like. I'm not hating these. I actually like these. Those are simple enough for him. He doesn't like anything crazy, so these seem pretty safe. Actually, I might go with those. He would not like the red. I like the red, but he wouldn't like them. No. Another no. Oh, I do like these. I do like these. I do like these. I just realized I got these for Brandon for Christmas. I was like, they look familiar. Oh, maybe Danny might like them in black. I don't know. He's so picky. He might say this is too shiny. I don't know. I'll revisit those. All right. So that's definitely no. That's also a definite no. Followed by some more no's. No. 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 Okay, I'm running out of sneakers here. I don't hate these, but he would, so no. No. Look at how cute these pants are. Oh my gosh, they're so cute, but you know what? I can't stomach paying $70 for them. Oh, I love this shirt. $40. Oh, I like this. Alrighty, so really quick, let me show you what I got for Danny before I get home. I decided to go with these. They're plain, they're simple, there's nothing not to like about these. He just really likes basic things, so this is as basic as it can get. So now I'm about to head home. I was hoping to work in the backyard because the backyard is full of weeds. It's been raining on and off for what feels like weeks, and the backyard is a mess. So when I say a mess, I mean it's a mess. And the yard waste comes tomorrow, so I'm hoping that we can maybe work in the backyard, pull weeds, pull the weeds. So that's what I'm hoping. That's the plan, but it just started drizzling now, so I'm gonna drive back home and hopefully we can get this done. If not, then we'll get something else done. Whenever I'm making YouTube videos, it's always hard to get started because I'm usually never in the mood to record myself, or even just to begin talking, because I live in my head a lot, right? But once I get in the car, it's like I'm like yep. What I was thinking was, I love the Nike store, but it's a little pricey, and I don't know, maybe it's just me because I'm like really cheap. Not cheap, I'm frugal. I am cheap. Yes, I am cheap. I am. I just can't see paying a lot for clothes. For sneakers, yes, I can see it, because you know, good quality sneakers are gonna support your back and support your hips. But clothes, I don't know. My birthday is in July, so for my birthday I plan to, I guess, come to the Nike store again and do the same thing that I did last year. Not pick up sneakers. I think I'm done with Nike sneakers. Nike sneakers just aren't comfortable for me. They're the best looking sneaker in my opinion, but they're just not comfortable. So comfort for me is everything. So I think I'm just gonna stick with New Balance, and maybe I could find another brand out there that is really comfortable. We're actually making really good timing. So, and the sun is out, so I think what I'm gonna do is get home, get something to eat, change out of these clothes, and begin working in the backyard. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But okay, I'll see you when I get home. Bye.
Wi-Fi is off.
Cool. All right, so we made it back home. Gotta hide my stash.
I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. I knew you'd be waiting for me. I know you'd be, oops. I know you'd be waiting for me. I know you've been waiting for me. Hi, Bubba. Oh, I did. I promised that I'll take you outside. I will take you outside right now. Let me just hide this, okay? So hopefully I can take my dog outside before it begins to rain. Hopefully we'll be able to take a nice walk. Sunscreen, check. Hat, check. Sunglasses, check. You know the routine, you know the routine. We're going now, right? Yes, Bubba, let's go, come on.
I just got back from my walk and it's not raining outside. Hey, Danny. I was thinking we'd clean the backyard. What do you
You
think?
shouldn't think such things.
We can do like one side. Let's do it. Let me just change clothes. We'll do it. Yeah?
If you want to.
Sounds like fun. All right, I'm gonna eat something first. All right, so I'm gonna eat something first and then we can go.
So I made the soup yesterday. It's like chicken with vegetables. And I just put a cup of rice in there just to add some more carbs, just so it could be a little more filling. But, oh, this is gonna be so good. It smells so good.
The reason I have a hat on
is because it's looking like we are not going to be able to pull weeds. But I did want to show you what they look like. This whole entire backyard needs to be done. That fruit up there on that tree, all that needs to come down. All these dead fronds need to be removed, but not today. Oh, look at my stalker. He's so funny. He's so funny. He's like, wherever you go, I go.
So change of plans for today. We are not going to clean the backyard, but I have been wanting to clean the game room. So I guess we'll do that. It's almost 7 o'clock and we're gonna get started. 7 o'clock may not be late for you, but it's late for me. At this time, normally I am winding down, not cleaning, but I've been meaning to clean this game room.
That needs to go. I need to update that. What I want to do in this game room is really clean those blinds.
I want to like clean the windowsills. The carpet needs to be vacuumed.
All of this here, these shelves of games, all of that needs to come out of there.
Oh, and the ceiling fan. So we need to get a ladder.
Yeah. We need a stool or do you want to get a ladder? We'll get a ladder.
It depends who's cleaning it.
I'll clean it with a stool. I can
Actually,
I can do it with this chair.
no, I'll clean it. You can do the blinds. I don't like the blinds.
We'll get a ladder.
All right, we're gonna get started.
Yeah, we're getting our spring cleaning done a lot later than we like, but better late than never.
We need to update this.
What is that?
No, I was just messing around. Wasting time. That's what I'm doing, wasting time. All right.
Wait a minute, Mindy.
What?
I think you need to show everybody your talents of karaoke. Come on, let's sing a song. What do you got? I don't think they realize what a wonderful singer you are.
Oh.
You can make all the dogs howl in the whole neighborhood.
Like when you walk in, it just looks like a bunch of clutter.
Yeah,
I don't
that's what I
like
thought it was.
No, I don't like it.
He's like, why is my bed so small?
I usually have this down for him, but completely spread out.
It's like a piece of foam. It's
Yeah.
Where did we get that? We got that from BJ's, right?
Yeah, it's just like it is a bed, I guess.
So we got these a while back at Kirkland's, and I really like them. I think they're cute, but I have no idea where to put them. Everywhere I try to put them, like,
here maybe. You know what it is? I'm trying not to make any holes in the walls. So I'm trying to use the existing holes that we already have. But that's not gonna work. I'm not giving these to Goodwill because I do like them. I think I'm just gonna end up putting that picture frame back even though it's not even straight. Not that it's not straight, it's not, what do you call it? It's not even with that one, right? So, I mean, it's straight on the wall, it's just not even with that one. Embrace the imperfections. All right, we're actually moving pretty quickly. It's 7:37, so we're getting a lot done. Let's see how bad these windowsills are. Oh, it's not bad. Not too bad. Could be worse. Can you open the other window, please? All right, so I'm just gonna spray this. I should probably just remove the screen, but I'm not going to. Oh, it's too late for that. Bye-bye, dirt. Bye-bye, dirt. You're a goner. For some reason, I thought these were gonna be really bad. So we have a neighbor that is the most, like, how would you say, like, inconsiderate neighbor, and they blast their music outside. Yes. At all hours. It could be like 2 o'clock in the morning, and again, we're houses away. That is like I would be woken up in the middle of the night. They put in their backyard like this sound system, and it's crazy how loud they blast it. This is why I would like to live far away from neighbors. Here, listen to this. Crazy. That's crazy. We'll see how long that's gonna last. That can go on for hours.
Just don't know how to party.
One time we were in the backyard and the neighbor behind us like peeked over the fence, and he started talking to us, and he was like, so what do you think about all this all this music? The poor neighbor, because the neighbor's a lot closer than we are. Yeah. He said that he went over there and asked them if they can turn down their music. And I don't know if they said no or they just did it, but he said they won't do it.
No, they don't. They don't really care.
Well, and it's ridiculously loud. I have to insert. I have to find
it's
that.
It's not being a Karen on this one. This
No.
this is
No, this one's crazy.
This one is like for real.
This is like almost unbelievable. I'm gonna open this window so you can really hear this.
And they got a PA system too.
Oh yeah.
And then they're sitting there announcing stuff like you're at some type of concert or something.
I don't know if they don't like one of their neighbors and they're doing it on purpose. This past time change, when we lost an hour of sleep, as soon as it hit 7, they blasted their music, and it was like this techno music, the same beat over and over for like 2 hours, starting at 7 o'clock in the morning, as I'm sure as loud as their system goes. So I'm like, that is purposely done. Right. Like, during time change, we lost an hour at 7 o'clock. You blasting techno music outside for 2 hours. Who does that? If you have good neighbors, be thankful that you have good neighbors. We've lucked out all these years, and then all of a sudden, I'm not sure.
Hopefully they'll eventually leave or stop doing the noise.
You know what? You know those shows with the neighbors have like confrontations, but it gets like really like violent and like sometimes like, what is it called?
I forgot. There's a TV show that has it on there with.
You know what I'm talking about?
I know what you're talking about.
The neighbors, like somebody ends up dead.
Well, I don't know about dead, but I mean they. It was sometimes, yeah.
Anyway, I can see that with those people. I'm like, they're gonna piss off the wrong people.
Yeah, the wrong person is gonna come knocking on their door at 2 o'clock in the morning, saying this is enough.
People are crazy, and you know what? They're gonna meet their equal, like on a different level. Like that's nuts.
I just hope they never find me. Just kidding.
All right. Oh, I have some puzzles. I'm gonna put like a puzzle on the table, and the rest of them in here. But otherwise, guys, we're done. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, and catch you next time. Bye.